So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add shadow to text inside of a table here on a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, go to the top, press on table, you know the drill, add a table to your presentation. Once that is done, I'm just going to go ahead and type in the word table as an example. I will then make the font a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. Hopefully it works. Yeah, it's working right now. Okay, now if you wanted to add shadow, it works the exact same way as adding outline, for instance. So go to the top, make sure text is selected, press on the little gear icon, scroll down to where it says shadow, make sure shadow is selected. Now, by default, you can go ahead and change the angle of it if you want. You can change the blur, making it more blurry or less blurry. You can also change the photo as well. So if you wanted to have maybe a blue background just like that, there you go. Voila, you've now added shadow to text here inside of a table. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to add shadow to table text here on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.